Esprit is a powerful CAM system for CNC programming, optimization, and simulation, supporting the entire manufacturing process. With factory-certified post-processors delivering machine-optimized G-code and Esprit's ability to solve unique challenges with automation solutions built using the software's API, Esprit is the smart manufacturing solution for any machining application. With world-class technical support, Esprit empowers you to get started quickly and keep running at top efficiency. Esprit's ability to support the entire manufacturing process starts with the large line of products available with the software. Esprit's capabilities go from 2 to 5-axis milling to 2 to 22-axis turning, or even 2 to 5-axis wire EDM. Esprit also excels in the more complicated applications, such as high-speed simultaneous 3, 4, and 5-axis toolpath. Its ability to perfectly run Swiss turn, mill turn, and B-axis multitasking machines makes it the only CAM system you'll ever need. The Esprit Additive Suite drives both 3D powder bed fusion systems and direct energy deposition machine tools. This powerful suite provides comprehensive control over the additive manufacturing process and delivers machine-optimized job files. Integration with cloud-based databases such as Machining Cloud facilitates access to knowledge, product data, resources and process controls for machines, cutting tools, and work holding. Using those integrations and simulation technology, Esprit allows you to create a digital twin of your machine tool for programming, optimization, and simulation. Workpieces and cutting tools are set up virtually, resulting in exacting simulations, better toolpaths for higher quality parts, and greater productivity. What happens on screen will also occur on the shop floor. Esprit Knowledge Base streamlines part programming by automatically selecting the optimum processes, machining cycles, cutting tools, and machining conditions for part features based on proven best practices. Because programming is more predictable and consistent, machine operators encounter fewer problems, and machines produce higher quality parts. Unlike traditional CAM software, Esprit's awareness of machine kinematics and dynamics is used for setup, programming, optimization, and simulation. With machine awareness, CAM programmers make better choices regarding toolpath, resulting in improved machining performance. Using the digital representation of the machine, Esprit automatically manages rapid positioning between cuts. The linear and rotary position in between cutting operations, tool changes, and part handling operations is performed safely and efficiently. Esprit makes it easy when changing modes and machines. Simply program once, and Esprit recomputes based on the new machine's kinematics, so you never have to start from scratch. Esprit's partnership with machine tool companies enables the ability to simulate and run any type of machine, regardless of machine kinematics. Esprit's Part View, Machine View patented technology makes it easier to program your part and see how your changes affect your operations in simulation. With an extensive local support network, the Esprit team will support you anywhere you are, in your native language, so you can get started quickly and keep running at top efficiency. Esprit is the only CAM system you'll ever need.